In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve issues with YouTube not working on Firefox. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to watch your favorite videos and something just isn't clicking. But don't worry, we're going to go through a straightforward set of steps, and by the end, you'll hopefully have everything running smoothly on your browser. First, let's start with a simple restart of Firefox. Often, a quick restart can solve a multitude of software hiccups that might be causing the issue. So, what you'll want to do is close Firefox completely. Make sure all windows are closed so that it's not running in the background. Once it's fully closed, go ahead and reopen it. Then head back to YouTube to see if the problem has been resolved. If restarting didn't quite do the trick, the next step is to ensure Firefox is up to date. Mozilla frequently releases updates to maintain browser security and functionality, so having the latest version can eliminate potential issues. Begin by clicking on the menu button at the top right corner of your Firefox window. From there, head to the Help section and select About Firefox. A new window will open, and if there are any updates available, it will prompt you to restart Firefox to apply these updates. Go ahead and do that, and let's move on to the next step. Sometimes a cluttered cache or residual cookies can interfere with the performance of websites like YouTube. To clear these, return to the menu and navigate to Settings. Once you're there, click on Privacy and Security. Within that section, look for Cookies and Site Data, and then click on Clear Data. Be sure to confirm your choice. Clearing these files can really help resolve loading issues by giving your browser a fresh start. Next up, let's focus on extensions. While extensions can be incredibly useful, certain ones, especially ad blockers or video downloaders, may hinder YouTube's functionality. To check this, go to the menu and select Extensions and Themes. You can temporarily disable any extensions you suspect might be causing a problem, particularly any ad blockers. After disabling them, refresh YouTube to see if it makes a difference. Another important aspect involves hardware acceleration. This feature allows Firefox to use your computer's hardware to speed up processes, but it may also cause glitches. Head back to the menu, choose Settings, and type Performance in the search bar. There, you'll see the option, Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Try toggling this option off and then back on just to check how YouTube reacts. Of course, you'll want to restart Firefox afterward to ensure the change takes effect. Lastly, we have Safe Mode, or what Firefox calls Troubleshoot Mode. This mode temporarily disables custom settings and extensions, allowing you to determine if one of these is causing the issue. Go to the menu, click on Help, and select Troubleshoot Mode. Choose Restart, and once Firefox opens back up, check YouTube to see if it's functioning as it should. And there you have it. By following these steps, starting from a simple restart to troubleshooting mode, you should be well on your way to enjoying uninterrupted YouTube sessions. If one method doesn't work, the subsequent steps are designed to address different underlying issues. Thanks for watching, and happy video streaming.